Pikachu in our video. Press the thumbs up if you find it. Look, a candy stand. I'm going to get some candy. That's yummy to my tummy. Candy. Uh-oh.
Hi, sir. How can I help you?
I want some candy.
Okay, sir. We have Skittles, we have Tootsie Roll, we have Smarties, we have Paw Patrol, we have Suckers, and we have Peppermint Crunch. What do you want?
And what?
Okay, so you want a Tootsie Roll, a Smartie, and some Peppermint Crunch. I'm so excited you want so much. You're my first customer today. I haven't had any customers all day long. Let me back this up for you. It will be $3, please.
What? I don't have any money. Man, my money's in the car. Go get it and bring it back.
Sure. Okay, here you go, sir.
I'm going to bring back with some money.
All right, see ya.
Where was all my money? Oh no!
What is taking him so long?
Be careful.
Oh my gosh! He just drove off! 911? Yes, this is an emergency. Somebody just came by, got some candy, and ran off. And didn't pay.
Hi man, did you call for help?
Yes, some kid came and stole some candy. He said he was going to be back and pay, but he never came back and he just drove off.
What was he driving?
A silver car.
What did he look like?
He had curly blonde hair and he was wearing a hat and big glasses and a big chain.
We've been looking for that guy.
Well, when you catch him, can you bring me my money back?
Sure. What's up, dude?
Oh, not much, just hanging around. What's up with you?
Oh, I don't know to get nuggets and
Okay, that'd be $5, sir.
I love in the bear. I could just pay over there.
Sure, that's okay.
Thanks.
Hi, sir, did you find your wallet?
Yeah.
Okay, that's $5, please.
I'm just going.
Hey, come back here! Hello, police? Yes, there's a kid here and he got food and didn't pay for it. Yeah, he dined and dashed. Okay, thanks, I'll see you in a little bit.
What happened, sir?
Well, there's this kid, he came and then he took my food and then ran off. He didn't even pay for it.
What did he look like?
Well, he was wearing a blue shirt with a gold hat and glasses and a big gold chain. He was driving a gray Mercedes.
Yeah, that's our guy. He's been stealing everything.
Was it 56K? Time to 56 at this time. 900K.
You won't get me if I try to do this guy. I'm being invisible. You won't find me. What? I can't find him. I watched him. It never gets me wearing this. There's a candy store again.
Hi, sir. Do I have any boxes today?
No, not today. I just want to buy some candy.
You look really familiar. Have you been here before?
No, not me.
All right. I think I've seen you before, though. Well, what would you like?
My effigy is this.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. That'll be $1.
Okay. Oh wait, I think you do have a box. Oh wow!
Okay. I'll wait.
You do have a box. I'm going to do it again next time.
I knew he looked familiar. That's the same guy that stole from me yesterday. I'm calling the police. 911, the same guy stole from me yesterday and today. Okay, thanks.
What was he wearing?
Today he was wearing a UPS suit.
He got away from me yesterday, but he won't get away this time. Is there anything else that you can tell me?
His truck was red, it was full of boxes, and he's sneaky.
Okay, we're gonna catch this guy. If you find this Pokeball in this video, give a thumbs up. Hi, sir.
Hey, sir, you're not my normal UPS man.
What? Oh, he's sick.
You sure have a lot of boxes today.
I sure need order very fast.
Okay, sir, what can I get for you today?
I need pizza very fast.
Okay, sir, I'll have your pizza ready fast. Pull around to the back. Okay, sir, here's your food. It'll be $5. Are you sure I don't know you? You look really familiar.
You don't know me. Oh, wow. Oh, I do have a box.
Hey! Hello, police? Yes, it's me again. Yes, he did it again. Yeah, and he threw a box at me too. Okay, bye.
Hello, sir. What happened?
I think the same guy stole from me again. He looked the same. He was a UPS man and had a lot of boxes. And then he threw a box at me. Do you want to see it?
Yes, sir. I might need it for evidence.
I think he left a note for you.
What?
Here you go. I think this message is for you.
What? Let's get this guy. What? How did this get in here? These are spike strips. These will stop him. Oh, wow. Now we wait. I'm going to eat some candy. Son. Oh no! Get out of this car. Give me the no. No. There you go. Are you robbing me? Yeah. Okay, thanks. We're still going to jail though. Aww. Trying to be a real city hero.
Open. Oh, good, a policeman. Maybe he can help me.
What's the problem, man?
I I can't open my door. Can you help?
Sure. Let me get my tow rope.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
I've done this 100 times. That should hold it.
That's crazy,
That
dude.
should do it.
I don't know about that.
Step back.
Okay.
Hey, need some help over there?
That's okay, because last time you helped, you broke my door.
Step aside, ma'am. I'm gonna do the job.
Please don't break my trash can.
This will do it. Stand back, ma'am. Hey! Hey! People are so friendly today.
Man, how am I gonna get to work?
Need some help, sir?
Yeah, my truck won't start. Can you help?
Sure, let me get my tow rope.
I don't know if your truck's strong enough to tow this big truck.
No, I'm gonna give you a ride to work.
Okay.
Have you ever rode one of these, sir?
No, I've never ridden one of these before.
This is what I want you to do. I'm gonna give you a ride to work. And don't let go. Wouldn't be good. Remember, sir, don't let go, okay? Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
I think so. Ow!
Oh, no!
Wait!
Help
Wait,
me!
come back!
Bye, have a good day at work. Don't stop. Come my engine. What will you do? Help me! You need some help, sir? Yeah, my trunk is on fire. I can help. Let me get my tow rope. Sean, you gonna give me a tow? Yes, I am. Now time for the hookup. Now step back, sir. Why can't I go in here? You can't go in there. It's too dangerous. Step aside. Stop my car. Bye. People are so friendly today. Hey guys, we're about to go to school. Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you enjoy. All videos we do are family related because I love my family. See you in the next video and be safe. Bye. Here's my keys and here's your tip. I'll practice and get good care of you. I'm gonna go in the restaurant, but be careful with that motorcycle. It costs $1,000. Will I do something? I saw green. Hello, doctor. Yeah, here's your tip and here's your key. And keep that money. Now I'm gonna go in the restaurant. Take care for yourself. This is all clean now. Hey, I've been waiting in the line for 10 whole minutes. Welcome, sir. You want me to park your car? Sorry, sir. Here's the keys. Take care of my car. I don't want to see any scratches. Tip, you're not getting no tip. I don't want to see a scratch. Oh, whoops. I'm in a monster truck, so I can park this for you? Sure. Here's the money. Thanks. And the key. Thank you. Listen, this is a very big and powerful monster truck, so be careful. Okay, and take care of yourself. Tow truck, come in. We need a tow truck. Now, tow truck. That was a yummy pizza. Where's my car? I'll get for you, sir. Hurry, I'm in a hurry. Hurry up with my car. Hey, that's not my car. Oops, sorry. Seriously? That's not my car either. Oh, whoops. Better get my car because I gotta go to business. There's a car over there. That is my car. Let's race.
Driver, start your
In this competition, we're gonna see who can find the hidden treats first.
I could use my super tracer nose and find those treats. If I find it too. social. That can only mean one thing. Yay!
We have a winner!
In this competition, we're gonna see who can rescue the dog the fastest.
What? Help me! I'm gonna win this one. Next. Yay, you're safe now. I know. I'll use my ladle. Thank you.
I love you.
Stop! A man's walking.
Oh, hi, Marshall.
Marshall, that wasn't nice. I may help the old man.
Oh, thank you, Chase. Oh, Chase, you are the most helpful pup out of all the Paw Patrol.
Trouble one. Bring those Pokemon cards.
Are you ready to battle?
Yes.
Okay, trainer, Tierno.
Energy.
Where did the cards go?
Did you take my cards?
I promise I didn't. I just have my Pokemon cards here. We need the Paw Patrol.
Ryder, we were playing Pokemon cards and they just disappeared. Okay, Chase, we'll find those Pokemon cards.
Ryder,
Yes?
Jesse and I were playing Pokemon.
Let me guess. Someone took your Pokemon cards?
Can you and the pups help us find them?
No, Pokemon is too lost. No, Pup is too small. Pups, take a look out. Okay, Pups. Pokemon cards are disappearing all over Adventure Bay. We need to get them back so people can battle again. For this, I'll need you, Chase. Chase is on the case. I'll need you to use your super nose to pick up the scent from the card. And I need Marshall. I'm fired up. Need you to keep everyone calm until we get their Pokemon cards back. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
My plan is working. Soon I will have all the Pokemon cards and nobody will beat me. I will be the best trainer ever. Yes, all the Pokemon cards will be mine. Everybody will know that the Mayor of Foggy Bottom will be the best Pokemon player ever. Now, just to put these cards somewhere safe so nobody can find them. Yes, I will use this, and I will bury it. Now, nobody will find them, and I will be the best Pokemon player ever!
Hi, Marshall.
Hi.
We were playing Pokemon and somebody took our Pokemon cards.
We were in the middle of an epic battle and they just disappeared.
Calm down, dudes.
Calm down. I can't calm down. Those are my Pokemon cards.
Oh no! We're gonna do a checkup. Chew! This can only mean one thing. Mayor Humdinger. What's up? Calm down, drink some water. I need to collect more clues. Let's follow that scent. Ooh, some tracks. Let's use my tracking device and see where it goes. It's going this way, guys. Wait, what's this? It was Mayor Humdinger. I was right. Now let's keep following these tracks and see where it goes.
Oh yes, that's a good spot right there. I'm gonna put these in here, nobody will ever find them, and I'm gonna be the best Pokemon player ever.
a shovel, and fresh dirt. I know to find Ryder. Ryder, I found out who's all behind this. Good work, Chase. It's Mayor Humdinger. He's stealing all the Pokemon cards. I found it. It's right here, buried in the dirt. I'm gonna need some help, though. Rebel, I need you to go dig up those cards. Rebel won the double. All right.
I can't believe it!
Rebel won a double. Shovel. Let's dig up this found treasure. This must be the missing Pokemon card. I better give these back to Ryder right now. Bye, son. No, Mary, you won't be the best trainer in the world. You don't know how to play fair. Let's bring these cards back where they belong.
I can't believe it!
Oh no, you pesky pups ruined my plans, and now I'll never be the best trainer in the world.
Hey, here's your card.
You found them?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Here's your Pokemon card.
Hey, Marshall, you want to battle?
No.
Hey, Ryder, do you want to battle?
Yes, let's do it, but I'm gonna win.
I don't know. Ooh, this is a good one. I can't wait to make my boys some applesauce. Got it. Oh no. Hello, fireman? I'm stuck in a tree and I need your help. Okay, I'll hold on. Okay, bye.
It's target practice time. Yeah! Well, oh no, Ryder, we got caught. Oh yeah. I know how we get it all down. I have an idea. I'm gonna cut it down.
No! Stop! Fireman, what are you doing? I'm gonna fall!
I tried to cut you down.
No, find another way!
Okay. Oh, I have an idea. Oh, this should work.
I don't know.
Let's go.
What are you doing? I don't want to fall. Stop!
I'm trying to pull the tree down.
Stop!
Okay. Ryder, do you know how to make a tissue dance? You put a little boogie in it.
What are you guys doing down there? Why are you eating popcorn? Help me!
Sorry, it's our lunch break. Yeah, man, I'm hungry.
Please help me.
Okay, I have an idea.
What are you doing? Why are you getting me wet?
Okay, sorry.
Guys, just find a ladder.
Let me hold it for you.
Ouch. Thanks for saving me, but you guys are the worst firefighters ever. I'm not calling you in an emergency. Go back to fire school.
Woo!